Okay, forgive me, I'm talking low because students are working in the room. With indirect measurement, the triangles will be similar if you're using reflection. Thank you. You're using reflection off of a mirror to go from the height of the person's eye who's doing the viewing, and this is our little guy here. His eye level is 5 feet 6 inches, and he's looking down in a mirror and seeing the top of the clock. So we know that if you look at a mirror and you look at there, the thing about mirrors is that they form equal angles. We also have, and I'm going to draw this sketch here, we also have the fact that this light pole is standing vertically to have right angles here. So then we have angle-angle congruence. We have this angle and we have that angle the same, so we know that the triangles are similar. So that's why we know the triangles are similar, and then we can find the distance represented by x. So what we do is we set the proportions equal to each other, and we know that 5 feet 6 inches is actually equal to 5.5. 6 inches is 0.5 of a foot, half a foot. So that side matches with the height of the clock, which is, we don't know, we're going to call it x. And set that equal to, well, what we know about this 5.5 comes from this small triangle, so we're going to match that with 4 on the top. On the top is the small stuff, and then across from that is what the distance from the mirror to the clock, 10 feet. And now we have a proportion that we're going to multiply and solve, so we get 4x equals 55, and then we'll go over here to solve it. 4x equals 55 divided by 4, divided by 4, x equals, and we can do this little math problem down here. I will choose a different color so we can just see it, and we'll zoom in on a spot. Or we'll just do it down here. 55 divided by 4. And when we have a remainder, instead of putting a decimal, which we could also do, we could take the remainder and put it as a fraction. The remainder is the numerator, and the number we divided by is the denominator. That's what we get. So x is 13 and 3/4. And what's the distance? Well, it's in feet. And that's it.